Welcome to our comprehensive guide on load balancing. Load balancing is a fundamental concept in modern computing and network infrastructure. At its core, load balancing is the process of distributing incoming network traffic and computational workloads across multiple servers or resources. Think of it like a traffic director at a busy intersection, ensuring that no single road gets congested while others remain empty. By spreading work evenly, load balancers help systems handle more users, maintain faster performance, and prevent any single resource from becoming a bottleneck. This concept is essential for building reliable, scalable applications that can serve millions of users efficiently. There are four main types of load balancers to choose from based on your infrastructure needs. Software load balancers run on regular servers and are cost-effective and flexible, making them ideal for many applications. Hardware load balancers are physical devices designed specifically for load balancing, offering high capacity but at a higher cost. Cloud-based load balancers are managed services provided by cloud platforms like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud, offering automatic scaling and minimal maintenance. Virtual load balancers combine both hardware and software approaches, running specialized software on physical infrastructure. The choice depends on your budget, performance requirements, and infrastructure setup. Load balancing provides 6 major benefits to your infrastructure. First, performance improvement. By distributing traffic, requests are processed faster with reduced latency. Second, availability. If one server fails, traffic automatically redirects to healthy servers, eliminating single points of failure and ensuring continuous service. Third, scalability. Systems can handle traffic spikes by distributing load across multiple servers. Fourth, security. Load balancers provide protection against distributed denial of service attacks by filtering malicious traffic. Fifth, cost-effectiveness. Resources are utilized optimally, reducing waste and unnecessary expenses. Sixth, maintenance. You can update or upgrade servers without shutting down the entire system, enabling zero downtime deployments. Understanding the basic architecture helps clarify how load balancing works. Clients send requests from the left. These requests don't go directly to the servers. Instead, they first reach the load balancer, which acts as a middleman or gatekeeper. The load balancer decides which backend server should handle each request based on predefined rules and current server conditions. Finally, the requests are forwarded to the appropriate servers on the right. Each server processes the request and sends the response back through the load balancer to the client. This simple yet powerful architecture ensures that no single server becomes overwhelmed while maintaining optimal resource utilization across your entire infrastructure. Implementing load balancing involves 5 key steps. First, assess requirements by analyzing your traffic patterns and understanding expected load to determine what type of load balancer you need. Second, choose the right infrastructure for your use case, whether software, hardware, cloud-based, or virtual solutions. Third, configure the appropriate algorithm that determines how traffic gets distributed among servers. Fourth, set up backend servers with proper configuration and ensure they are ready to handle incoming requests. Fifth, and finally, implement continuous monitoring with health checks and performance tracking to ensure your load balancing system operates smoothly. These steps ensure a successful and effective load balancing deployment. Monitoring load balancers requires tracking 4 categories of metrics. Performance metrics include request count, latency, and throughput to understand how quickly your system responds. Health check metrics monitor server status, HTTP response codes, and uptime to ensure all backends are functioning properly. Resource usage metrics track CPU utilization, memory consumption, and bandwidth to prevent resource exhaustion. Alert metrics include error rates, anomalies, and threshold violations to quickly identify and respond to problems. By continuously monitoring these metrics, you maintain visibility into your system's performance, catch issues early, and make informed decisions about scaling and optimization. Regular monitoring is essential for maintaining a healthy load-balanced infrastructure. Security is critical when implementing load balancers. First, encryption. Enable TLS and SSL protocols to protect data in transit, manage certificates properly, and implement forward secrecy. Second, access control. Enforce authentication policies, implement role-based access restrictions, and use multi-factor authentication for administrative access. Third, DDoS protection. Implement rate limiting to prevent traffic floods, integrate web application firewalls for advanced threat detection, and employ traffic filtering mechanisms. Fourth, monitoring. Maintain comprehensive access logging to track all connections, implement anomaly detection to spot unusual patterns, and create audit trails for compliance and security investigations. Together, these practices create a secure load balancing infrastructure that protects your systems and user data. Even well-designed systems encounter issues. Uneven distribution occurs when traffic doesn't spread evenly across servers. Solution: verify your algorithm settings, check server weights are correct, and review connection persistence configurations. Unhealthy targets happen when backend servers become unresponsive. Solution: review health check settings, adjust timeout values appropriately, and verify network connectivity to backends. Slow response times indicate performance bottlenecks. Solution: check server performance metrics, monitor CPU and memory usage, and optimize algorithm parameters. Session loss occurs when users lose data between requests. Solution: enable session persistence, use sticky sessions to route users to the same server, and maintain distributed session state. Connection timeouts indicate network issues. Solution: review firewall rules, verify network configuration, and check server availability. Configuration errors are mistakes in setup. Solution: validate settings with experts, review documentation thoroughly, and test in staging environments before production. Following these 5 best practices ensures optimal load balancing performance. First, monitor continuously by tracking performance metrics, latency, error rates, and server health proactively to catch issues early. Second, analyze traffic patterns by studying incoming traffic characteristics and adjusting configuration to improve efficiency and prevent bottlenecks. Third, implement redundancy by using failover mechanisms and backup load balancers to ensure high availability and eliminate single points of failure. Fourth, prioritize security by enabling encryption, enforcing strong authentication, and applying regular security updates to protect your infrastructure. Fifth, enable auto-scaling by automatically adjusting capacity based on traffic demand and workload patterns so your system responds dynamically to changing needs. These practices combined create a robust, scalable, and secure load balancing environment. As we conclude, remember that load balancing is essential for building scalable, reliable, and high-performance systems in today's digital world. The 6 core benefits you should remember are: it improves performance by reducing latency and speeding up response times, increases reliability by eliminating single points of failure, enables scalability to handle growing user bases, optimizes resource usage for cost efficiency, provides better availability through automatic failover, and supports cost optimization by reducing infrastructure waste. Whether you're running a small web application or a massive cloud platform, understanding and implementing load balancing correctly is crucial for success. Start small, monitor carefully, and gradually optimize your setup as your system grows.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.